we start the resonance. Resonance is nothing but, we can say, delocalization of pi electron. In this we can say directly, resonance is nothing but delocalization of pi electron. In this resonance there is a no relation with sigma bond. In resonance the relation is majorly of pi electron, not with sigma bond. Okay, that is the main conditions of resonance. Now condition for resonance you have to understand. When I talk about the condition of resonance, so we can say first of all, in condition of resonance, atom participating should be planar. They are always be a planar. That is the first condition. So we can say first of all, they are planar. Atom participating should be a planar. This is main important point. P orbitals should be parallel to each other. Both p orbitals having a parallel to each other. Lone pair and pi electrons are interconvertible. Sometime lone pair convert into a pi electron is convert into a lone pair. Okay, now we can say no participation of sigma bond, we done it. This one, position of atoms are fixed, they cannot be changed, they cannot be changed. Now understand what is resonance. So we can say in this, the phenomena in which molecules ions can be represented by one or more than structures, but none of them can explain all the properties of that molecules or ions. This structure are known as resonating structure, and a common structure made by contributing of various resonating structure or canonical structure. Okay, we can according to this phenomena we can say that uh, no one resonating structure can show the all the properties of the that compound. Okay, so first of all, now understand, like you understand, this is a benzene ring. Okay, and this is a benzene ring. Now in this I will say C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6 carbon, and I will say C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6 carbon. So in this you are able to see that structure number 1, C1 and C2 there is a double bond. Okay, and C2 and C3 there is a single bond. So we can say they are a different. Okay, but both are benzene structure. So sometimes double bond is on this position, sometimes is not. So sometimes is in this position, sometimes C2 and C3 there is a no double bond. So we can say uh, these structures are also called as canonical structure or resonating structure. Okay, one structure is never be show the all properties of the resonance of that compound. Okay, now this is more important, type of conjugation. When I say about the type of conjugation, there is a majorly of 6 type of resonance: double bond, single bond, positive charge, double bond, single bond, negative charge, double bond, single bond, lone pair, double bond, single bond, double bond, negative charge, single bond, vacant orbital. This is nothing but, we can say, vacant orbital. And we can say double bond, single bond, free radical. This is a free radical. Okay, now we take it one by one. Now we can say pi bond means double bond is with positive charge. So we can say double bond, single bond, positive charge. Now you are able to see that in this compound 1, 2, 3 carbon, I will denote it. Okay, C1 carbon is positive charge. Now in this 1, 2, 3, this positive charge is going on this side. So this double bond is going on this side. Positive charge means there is a less number of electron, or we can say vacant orbital. Okay, like this on carbon. So we can say this positive charge is changed on the last carbon where we remove the double bond. So this is a resonating structure. Okay, these both are the resonating structure of each other. Now in example number 2 you are able to see that there is a double bond, single bond, positive charge. So this is a condition of resonance. So in this we can say double bond shifted this position, so positive charge is going on this carbon where we remove the double bond. Okay, now example number 3, if you are able to see that this double bond is going on this side, so positive charge is going on this carbon. If this double bond is going on this side, positive charge is going on this carbon. Is it clear? So it will make a 3 resonating structure. More is the resonating structure, more is the stability of intermediate. Okay, now understand, this is a positive charge, this is a positive charge. So this double bond is going on this side, so this positive charge is created on this carbon. This double bond is going on this side, so this positive charge is created. Now this double bond is going on this side, so this positive charge is created on this carbon. Now this double bond going on this side, so this positive charge is created on this carbon. So we can say there is a benzylic carbocation, and this will make a 5 resonating structure. This will make a 5 resonating structure. You have to learn this 5 resonating structure, how we make it. Okay, this is very important. Now you are able to see that in the example number 5th, double bond, single bond, positive charge. Okay, so this double bond going on this side, so positive charge is come in this side. Okay, now this double bond is going on this side, so positive charges come on this side. And if I will make this double bond on this side, so positive charge is again on the same position of first resonating structure. So after third, there is a same structure is comes out. So we can say the total structure is made by this compound is 3 only. This is the 5 member ring. Okay, 5 carbon ring, so it will make a 5 resonating structure, like as similar as the example number 5th. Okay, like once I will take it, this is a positive charge, double bond, so positive charge is on this carbon. This is double bond, changes the position, so positive charge is on this position. Now double bond change on the position, so positive charge on that carbon. Now this double bond is change the position, so positive charge is on last carbon. Okay, so you are able to see in the example number 6 there is a 5 resonating structure. Now in example number 7, this is a tripolymeric ion. Okay, in this there is a positive charge and 7 member ring, so it will total structure, resonating structure is made by 7. So guys, one by one, if you are able to see that this double bond on going on this side, there is a positive charge on this carbon. This double bond is going on this side, so positive charge is on that carbon. This double bond going on this side, so next positive charge is going on this carbon. This double bond going on this side, so the positive charge is going on this carbon. This double bond is going on this side, so positive charge is going on this carbon. This double bond going on this side, so positive charge is going on this side. This double bond going on this side, so positive charge is going on this side. If we are making on this one, so this is comes as same as the first one. So total resonating structures are 7, we can say. Now please remember, charge density increases means resonating structure increases, charge dispersion increases, so we can say stability of the compound is increases. More is the resonating structure, more is the stability of intermediate. Okay, now the next one is pi bond with odd electron species. Odd electron means free radical, double bond, single bond, free radical. So this free radical is break by like this. Okay, so it will make a free radical, and these two free radical combine with each other and convert into a, means this double bond is break into a two free radicals. One is this side, one is this carbon side. So this carbon is a free radical, this carbon is a free radical, so they will make a bond. Is it clear? Now in example number 2, you are able to see that this is a double bond, so this is this side, this is this side, this is this side, so this will make a free radical, and this will make a double bond, so it will make a 3 resonating structure, 1 2 3. Okay, now in example number 5, this is the benzene and there is a free radical. It is similar as the carbocation, we done it in the above part. It will make a total resonating structure 1 2 3 4 5. 1 free radical, 2 position. Is it clear? Now we can say third position, fourth position, fifth position. After fifth, they repeat the first one again. Okay, so total resonating structure are 5. Now pi bond is conjugation with lone pair, double bond, single bond, lone pair. Lone pair is also called as, we can say, negative charge. Okay, now there is a lone pair, single bond, so it will donate the lone pair. It will have a nitrogen is make a 4 bond, so it is a positive charge. Now there is a negative charge. Okay, or we can say lone pair. Negative charge is counted as a lone pair of electrons. So this double bond is going on this side, sorry, in this negative charge will donate the electron. So this double bond is shifted towards this side. So this is a negative charge. Now understand, this negative charge will donate the electron. This is shifted toward this side. So it will make a total 5 resonating structure. 1, 2, 3. And this is a negative charge will be formed. This negative charge will donate. This double bond shifted again. So total are 5 resonating structure. Now understand, in example number second, this is similar as the ammonia aniline. The above compound is aniline and this compound is, we can say, phenol. Okay, this is aniline. Now understand, this is aniline. Okay, now in the second one compound, if you are able to see that this will again form a lone donate the lone pair. There is a oxygen is having a 2 lone pair, but it will donate only one time 1 lone pair will be donated. Okay, so this will also make a 5 resonating structure. This is same as the above aniline. Okay, now if you are able to see that third one, there is a lone pair, so it will donate it, so it will shift it like this one. Okay, now we can say pi bond conjugation with negative charge. It is similar as the, we can say, lone pair. So this is a negative charge, this will donate, this will withdrawing, this is a negative charge created, this will donate, this is withdrawing, this is a negative charge created. Okay, now this is a 5 membering 5 resonant structure. This will donate, we can say, this will donate, this will create a negative charge, this will donate, this will create a negative charge, this will donate, this will create a negative charge. Okay, this will donate, this will create a negative charge like this. Okay, after when this is donated, so negative charges come on the same position as the first one. So after the fifth structure, we cannot make a more resonating structure of that compound. So total resonating structure of this compound is only 5. Okay, now in this compound you are able to see that this is a phenoxide ion, this is called as phenoxide ion. Now this is a negative charge will donate it, so we can say this double bond is shifted, so it will also make a 5 resonating structure. Please remember it, benzene structure will make a 5 resonating structure majorly. Okay, now pi bond conjugation with pi bond, double bond, pi bond conjugation with pi bond, or we can say double bond, single bond, double bond. So this is a double bond, single bond, double bond. Okay, so we can say it, if it is shifted towards this side, so this will donate in this side. So this is a del positive charge generated and this is a del negative charge generated. Okay, now this either this is also, we can say, both are same electronegative element. This is also happen, we can say, if this is shifted towards this side, so this is also shifted toward this side. Either the resonance is this side, either resonance this side. Okay, but in the second one you are able to see that oxygen is a more electronegative element, so resonance is only the oxygen side. So always be a, that carbon is a positive charge, this is a del positive charge we make it, this is a del negative charge we make it. Okay, or negative charge is called as pi electron. Okay, vacant orbital conjugation. When I say about the vacant orbital conjugation, so you have to remember it, boron is having a vacant orbital and nitrogen is having a lone pair, so it will donate it the electron, so it will make a positive charge and it will make a negative charge. Okay, now like this, there is a positive charge means vacant orbital, carbon positive charge means vacant orbital, and oxygen is a lone pair, it will donate it, so it is having a positive charge. Now if you are able to see that this fluorine and this is the carbon having a positive charge, so this fluorine will donate it, this fluorine is having a positive charge and this is a neutral, carbon is a octet complete structure right now. Now this is a chlorine is having a, we know that chlorine is having a vacant d orbital, please remember it, vacant d orbital, so this negative charge will donate it on the chlorine side. Is it clear to all of you or not? Now the next one and last one, if you are able to see that this fluorine is a negative charge and we can say carbon is a negative charge and fluorine is a lone pair, but this will not donate it, this will not, we can say, this will not donate it because no vacant orbital, no vacant d or p orbital. So we can say, if I say about we can say fourth one and fifth one, So we can say directly fourth one is more stable than fifth one because of the resonating structure. More is the resonating structure, more is the stability. This is the stability order. This is a stability order. Okay. Fourth is more stable as compared to fifth because fourth one is having a resonance and it will show the resonating structure, but fifth one is never be show the resonating structure. So more is the resonating structure, more is the stability. I hope guys this is very clear to you. Guys, if you like it, then subscribe our channel for our new videos. Thank you so much.